end-to-end flow of Spring MVC. Just give me a second. Okay, I'm back. So the request will go to dispatcher servlet. So dispatcher servlet would receive the request. So what dispatcher servlet would be doing? Okay, so I mean in the diagram, one thing that we have missed is, which is not in the Spring MVC, but that should be considered in MVC as well. When the request would come to controller, so all the business logic I told you in the last class as well, we won't be writing any of the logic in this controller, right? Where we would be writing that in the service. So there is another component called service that we should also see. But as far as MVC is concerned, we don't generally don't use service to explain the concept. Okay, so I mean every logic would go to a particular service.
Yeah.
I mean, you remember yesterday we talked about this.
Yes.
Okay. So controller passes the and then what controller would be doing? Model and view object. Okay, so we'll return model and view object to dispatcher servlet. And where what dispatcher servlet would be doing now? So what we would be doing in internal view resolver, we would be giving in the path, setting in the prefix and suffix, and where the JSP is present. The view Okay, so these are the steps. I mean, let me just give you these as well. In I know that you are writing. but let me just give you. I mean, this is quite important. So, I mean, just go through these points and just let me know if there is any issues, any problem that you are facing in this explanation on how we would be going with the MVC pattern.
No, once we start coding, it would more be clear.
Okay,
I'll be able to
okay,
link things.
okay. So I think with the theory part, everything is I have jotted down how to
Yeah,
what are the steps, what are the components, and what is the flow. Let's just try to recreate this flow as a part of code now.